Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Xiaomi model and MIUI version so you know which menus behave differently. This prevents surprises. Once done, back up any important data using My Cloud or a local copy because app changes can affect profiles. Now open Settings, tap Apps, then Manage Apps. This is where you'll locate Chrome. You're taking direct steps to reach app controls. Following this path makes the next actions predictable and safe. You now select Chrome from the app list and tap Storage and Permissions to view controls. This is how you limit background activity. Next, force stop Chrome to halt running processes, then revoke permissions such as contacts and location so Chrome can't access data. After that, disable notifications to stop pop-ups and remove Chrome as the default browser in default apps. These steps reduce Chrome's presence while keeping the app installed, which you finish by attempting to toggle Disable App. Some Xiaomi builds allow this, and that fully deactivates Chrome. If Disable is unavailable, uninstall updates to revert Chrome to a minimal factory version. This reduces features and background use. Restart the phone to apply changes and verify default apps to ensure another browser handles links. If something goes wrong, clear Chrome's cache and data, or re-enable briefly, then repeat the process. That often resolves stuck states and restores control without a factory reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.